Hello, YouTube. Hopefully I'm gonna make another great game. I'm gonna make another great gameplay.
Team deathmatch.
I threw. Oh. Okay. Let me use mine.
I have C4.
Light 'em
I have
up.
Remington.
I have C4 also.
I don't have
shock
C4s.
charges,
I
too.
just have a Remington.
Dropping waypoint out.
I subscribe me.
I need to.
We're gonna be the
I'll
next
subscribe
band.
in a minute. I need to get my tablet.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Oh.
Taking control.
I just went for sniper, so watch out. Oh Jesus! Yep, that was it.
He's gone.
I hear shock charges. I don't remember what. I just got stuck with the crossbow.
I just tried again.
We've lost.
Oh
the
my
advantage.
god.
Hey!
Oh
this
no,
is
we're
the
gonna have a
Lewis
shotgun
weapon.
battle.
Slugfest.
Transitioning. We've taken the lead.
Not much of a shotgun battle that was.
Guys, you can't forget the last game. It's iconic. The last game is iconic.
Dude,
That game on
that game
Yemen.
was like optic. I carried the team with an Espo drone.
Shot him out.
With an Espo drone and a hunter killer.
And then I just got my swarm.
You got a swarm. Ow. Ow.
Swarm, they rage quit. Me.
I'm like, wow. I didn't even notice they rage quit until a couple seconds.
Until it said enemies forfeiting.
I noticed when there was only one teammate, and I'm just like...
Reloading.
Oh, wait, we made one person rage quit. We made one person rage quit so far.
There's one person rage quit.
UAV on standby. Friendly UAV.
Damn, like,
I had
Burger
ham.
King?
I had ham for Thanksgiving, forgot. He took a poop on me. Why?
Hunter killer drone
He was
ready
like,
for deployment.
like, take it.
Tried to use an MP7 on me, and you still failed.
Friendly hunter killer drone
Okay,
deployed.
I
Well,
can't
we
aim
have a
with
big
the
enough
Remington
lead, so
anymore.
you can die.
Smoked.
Oh Jesus! There's this guy in that
Advised
corner.
hostile UAV.
Cause the game loves you.
Oh my god, he stuck me with the Semtex.
Where are these people?
Running around like little bitches.
We really.
Oh god. Ow.
Oh Jesus! Pistol. No.
On your
SMG?
feet. Shot him out. Reload.
What?
I got you.
I'm gonna pistol him also. Okay. You got C4.
That's so
Alright,
far
there's another
away.
rage quit. There are 3 people. So there's 3
Use
people
tac
left
shield.
on the
Tac shield. Tac shield. Tac shield.
Tac shield. Is that going on the list?
No, it's not.
I forgot. You just used up a freebie, so.
Hunter killer drone deployed.
How did I not kill so? Nope.
Are you also knifing? Who's also knifing?
I'm knifing. I have knife and C4. The best
I have knife
combo
and
ever.
combat knife. And combat knife. I
Come
have
on,
knife
guys.
and ballistic knife.
Man, you couldn't kill him quicker with that dude.
Get more ammo in my Remington. Since now that we're all using
Where are
we're
they?
getting a lot of.
Why is C4 so tough on this
You
game?
guys are using shotguns, and me and this guy are using knives.
Like they should have easy
Why is
peasy
C4
knocking
so
us
tough? That's
So
tough.
far, 2 more people joined, but hopefully they.
Nah, I don't know.
Because we've already
She's
made
fat,
3
and I can't
people
trust
in.
nobody fat. I can't.
Wait. The other one that's knifing.
I can't. I can't.
That one was good.
I can't.
On your
Oh,
feet.
there's someone. Fucking faggot.
I'm damn sure not gonna buy her no food. I'm damn sure not buying boxes. No. Hell no. She's not gonna know what to buy.
hit
She's gonna say, oh, you might as well come and buy me this too.
Oh, he had great jelly.
I can't do that. I'm not gonna gas her. Yeah, but I'm not gonna gas her. She not on that. I'm not. Unless he was bad. She don't get the ball that high though. Oh my edges.
We all get it.
Yep.
Hostile hunter-killer drone inbound. Keep pressing the fight. We're taking
I killed him, don't worry.
Quick 2K. Boy,
Care package with a swarm. We're good. Don't worry.
Threat down.
he's drunk, right?
No, I got really lucky when I got there.
Hostile dragon fire in
Oh,
your
the
AO.
dragon fire. Never mind.
Oh my god.
Hey, is that a dragonfly?
Oh, Jesus.
That dragonfly was mad as hell. That guy wouldn't
Rest
stop
in peace,
shooting.
dragon fire.
Winter, you should have taken longer to kill it to destroy the dragonfire.
UAV on standby.
That dragonfly was
Because I was
tough.
about to kill that one guy who was controlling it, but then he got up.
We are the goddamn ballistic knife.
Operation
Good game.
What do you mean? I
did
just
not
joined
really
in,
play.
bro.
How
I will one
two
v
Nick
any of y'all and whoop y'all's ass. Back out. Or you want me to back out and fight you so I can kick your ass?